5 scripture journal IPy. I am here in my grid hub. As you can see, my file structure is already here, and here in my render.com you can see my IPy is already running live. So let's go test it. Here I am in my IPy, my scripture journal. In my scripture journal here I have two sections, entry and user. Entry scripture journal is where you can enter your reflection, your insight, and when I click up on the first gate, here is to get all the database that I have in my entry. Then I'm gonna, before going there, just let me borrow an ID here. Yeah, copy an ID that I'll be used for the rest of the section, and here I'll come to post is to create a new entry. Then I'm not gonna put it right much. I'll just say today I'll pray. I'll remove reflection. I wanna just leave right faith, and then I'll come down here, click on execute, and then it's being executed beautifully. And then now here I'll come down here is to get item by ID and click execute. As you can see, the item is being get beautifully, and I'll go to my second option, which is user account management, and the first gate do the same thing. Is gonna get all my user credential and post here. I'll create a new user, which I'll come here. Sorry about that. Come here, tab Blandina. So, and then I'll click execute. Oh, sorry, where did it take me to? Yeah, let me see. And then it's been while they, and then they told me here the response is the email already existed. So this means it's not been created. So if we want the email to be created, we have to go back and do some adjustment into the email. Let's just pull like this for an email, and then let's execute it up again. Okay, so now we have it be done beautifully. Now we come here. Oh, sorry, I did not get an ID there. Let me just copy the ID here and come down. Where am I? Yeah, here's all the example ID and pull. No, sorry, the ID that I get is the example ID. I'll come here in my credential and get a proper ID, and come here, pull it and click execute. As you can see, it appear all day done. And then I'm gonna come here to delete and put the same ID and execute. As you can see here, it responds the user deleted. Everything show that is running. All my endpoints are running, and this is all about my week.